Not up to 24 hours, we got the news that a court of appeal the High Court in Abuja actually gave CBN a direct order to stop all allocations going into River State. Like there should be no more allocation to River State. And that yesterday, while all this was going on, the River State, it was a Thanksgiving. It was like they organized, Governor Fubara actually organized a Thanksgiving where he brought the likes of Frank Edward, brought the likes of Joe Praise, a lot of amazing gospel artists, Umar Okpai, Apostle Chibuzo. The videos are here. You can check them out. They were all there. They were just worshiping God and thanking God. And he made a lot of statements. One of them, he said he will not be in office up to 1 week, but now he is celebrating more than how many months or how many years in office and counting. And he shared a lot of things, talk about the local government, the commissioners, everything that has been going on in the state. And during that process, a few hours later, I think maybe after he had left the Thanksgiving service, he came out, and only for him to see or hear in the news or maybe get served that there will be no more allocation coming into the state. And the only response he gave was what really caught my attention. The governor said allocations coming to River State is the least of his problems. that is the list of his problems. He never hide. He said that's the list of his problems, that he has other things he's thinking about, how to make sure that the state is better. That if it's for allocation, they should forget that one, that he knows how to handle it. And trust me, he has done it. Fubara has done it. So this evening is trending everywhere. Everywhere is going gag, as he has actually responded to the actions of the federal government concerning the allocation coming down to River State. Let me read it out. It said, Justin, River State Governor Simi Fubara shut down NNPC and all oil companies in River State. Declare no allocations for River State, no oil for Nigeria. In a bold move, River State Governor Simi Fubara has ordered the shutdown of NNPC and other companies, declaring that without federal allocation for River State, there will be no oil. Within minutes of shutdown, Nigerian drop in the global oil production ranks from 4th to 24th. Governor Fubara has openly challenged Minister Yesufu Wike and President Bola Tinubu to take actions against his distance and see Nigeria boil. This is not even the sweet part. Let's go to Twitter. It's well, I would say, for me, I would say that one of the reason why this whole thing is somehow not really I will not say it's really a problem. I feel like he did the right thing, is because you cannot be taken from my state and you not give back to the state. Do you understand? Like, you take out or you sell to the global world and you are denying me of my right. And trust me, the actions Fubara takes are right. He is the governor of the state, just like President Ahmed Bola Tinubu is the president of Nigeria. So whatsoever order he takes in Nigeria stands. That is how he is in his state. So it is his state. He decides what goes in and what comes out of the state. So I feel like this one is not two elephants fighting, because for oil to drop, meaning very soon it will affect fuel prices. And River State is one of the highest producers of crude oil. Like, they get a lot of crude oil from that state, a lot. So this is really going to be a big effect on Nigerians. And trust me, it's festive season already. A lot of people will be traveling, a lot of activities are going on, and here we are with this one. Well, we hope that they will sit down, work something out, and trust me, figure out something. But trust me, I feel like this whole power thing, I am the owner of the state, I will do you this, I will do that, it's enough. They should just allow this guy stay, work, and enjoy his time as the governor of the state. So anyway, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's hear what you have to say about this. Meanwhile, This is some of the clips from the Thanksgiving yesterday in Rivers State Government House. Thank you for watching.
Lady, why would you take my son? Huh? Excellency, my wife, I can see how excited you are. By this time last year, I was facing the assassination alone. You were not there with me. I'm so happy that this year the story is different. We are worshiping God, appreciating God in our life, and we're here to support you. Thank you. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our state, Your Excellency, the former Governor, Sir and former Deputy Governors that are here with us, my own daddy, Alabo, GT Toby and his wife, and my brother too, Engineer Verydarkman and your dear one. The Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, whether they like it or not, Speaker. The President of Rivers State Court of America of Appeal, and also the brother judges that are here with you to support us and thank God for His mercy. The Secretary of the State Government and other members of the State Executive Council that are here, elders from our states, there are so many. In case I don't call your name, let me use one question as a point of contact to everybody. We have Senator John Bata, Senator Ikwerre, and my brother Senator of the Senatorial District, very active man. The former national chairman of our party. You see my party. I'm not going to any other party. I'm doing the PDP. Dr. Samson Gaza. Another leader that are here. Let me especially recognize the guest speaker, our daddy, a man of peace, and walk back. And when I say peace, because even when Christ was faced with the worst situation, He said, peace, and there was peace. Dr. Omabai and your wife, welcome you. Our royal fathers, fortunately, the two former chairmen of the Traditional Council, they are on my own. In Anderson and in Edward Pebble, and also other royal fathers that are here with us. I thank you for coming. Let me also recognize especially the clergy. Thank you for also coming to share this day with us. I can see the security personnel there. I also recognize every one of you who also came here to support us. Our beautiful women, other leaders, local government chairmen, head of paraprofessors and boss, and our youth. I welcome every one of you this afternoon or this evening. Gentlemen of the press, and ladies and gentlemen, please just permit me that I had a reason for asking them to remove the podium so that you understand that I'm standing here because of you. It is not the simple there. That's the truth. If you were not with us, if you have not stood with us, I won't be here at this hour. A lot of you might not understand what happened on the 30th of October, the year of our Lord, 2023. It was an assassination to the people of Rivers State. Indirectly, assassination to me. They can't kill every one of you, but they need to kill one person so that everybody will be declared dead. But somehow, somewhere, by the special grace of God and the God that we are thanking today, it turned, see why I said, I'm not to take my song, what they meant for evil, God turned it to good. I just want to say that we have journeyed so far. We have taken the most difficult part of this struggle. There is nothing that is happening now that is not surmountable. I want you to know that. So you need to brace up and be strong. Nothing has happened. We are still complete. We are still intact. Let me tell you, they said we are not going to last for 1 week. We are here. We have done 1 year plus. We are also doing 1 year anniversary of the attempt. They said those Buccaneers will not leave as local government chairman. Today, we have the local government chairman. Oh, yes! They said commissioners should resign immediately so that we will be crippled. Today we have more than 23 commissioners. They said they are not going to do anything. We want to frustrate them in a program in the US. They said we are going to make them not succeed. By the special grace of God, we have a back of projects that are touching the life of the university. We didn't end there. We have shown prudence that we are not here to steal your money, that we are here to give accountability. And to yesterday, you saw it. It was declared that Rivers State transparency and accountability kept them in number 1 position. I now ask the question, Who is the winner? Who is the winner? Macha, macha,